I'm back with another video. I have not filmed a plan with me in a very long time since before I left for my trip, because I did pre-film this one prior to leaving so I could make sure that it was up in time when I came back. So it's been a while, maybe 3 weeks ish. But anyway, this week I am decorating for the week of Christmas. For my plans, it's very minimal. It is just pretty much the basics because I don't have too much going on this week other than kind of work stuff that will get filled in during the week. So to start, it is very empty, and I apologize for that, but it's the week of Christmas, so I'm trying to take it easy and enjoy family time. I'm going to start off with my nails because I may get questions on them. So every year when I go to Disney, I get my nails done. I always get fake nails, just once a year kind of thing. So this is this year's nails. It is just a glitter gel tip with clear tips. I don't even know the correct nail terms, but they're clear tips. My nail lady was like, oh, it'll look like glass slippers, which it did, but they're getting kind of like dirty and pretty ugly. And then on my ring finger, I just have 3 Mickey balloons, one for each of my kids. I have a Cheshire Cat on my thumb, and yeah, that is this year's nails. Usually I leave my nails on for as long as they'll last, but because this one is painted white, I feel like I should take it off soon because it is starting to grow out and look kind of out of place. And plus I got them longer than I normally do, and they're in the way for everything. I'm not used to nails. But anyway, this is this year's nails. I am already trying to figure out what I want to do for the next Disney trip. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking these off soon because I'm getting annoyed by them. So yeah, that is the Disney nails this year. Let's move back into the planning stuff. This week I am using the kit that I sold in the shop. Well, I kind of modified it for what I need. So this is the Christmas Jingles kit. This was the patterns pretty much here. And yeah, like I said, I modified it for what I needed to decorate my planner. That's the kit. It comes with a bottom washi, but I did want to do or pull in just a few pieces of washi. So right here I have some silver washi, which I probably maybe should have pulled in gold washi. No, I don't know, maybe the snow-ish snowflakes, but anyway, I'm going to run this one right in between. And then I have this yellow washi, which I'm thinking might be too bright to run down the side. Maybe I'll skip it. We'll see what happens. So that's just 2 pieces of washi. And then my paper, oh wait, okay, we'll just do the paper clips. Paper clips, no rhyme or reason, as usual, just following the colors. I have these 3, which I believe are all from Planner Glam Girl, even the Castle, I think. I'm pretty sure. So all of these are from Planner Glam Girl. And then I had to pull in bows because I am obsessed with bows, as you guys probably already know, because I've been mentioning it a lot lately. Wow. It is the afternoon already, so I should be able to talk, and I can't do it. If you hear whispering, that's Ryder. He's sitting right here. Anyways, and this bow paperclip is from One Creative Bee. Yeah. And then pens for this week, I didn't even test these. I'm going to just hope that they work. They are the Friction Ball Slims in 038 or 0.38. I don't know exactly how you say it, but those are the pens that I'm going with. I have my sticker binder and then my Etsy sticker binder off to the side. I don't know how much I will be pulling just because, like I mentioned, my plans are very bare so far. And I'm sure it'll get filled up by next week, but as of right now, extremely bare. But yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys like this plan with me. Thank you always for watching, and until the next video.